We see these just hanging around too often, dangling, not stuck where they're supposed to be. Put it flat side up, this corner in first. Get it in there. And it goes all the way against the top. I'm pushing the front edge up. And then slide it in until it won't go anymore. Then I'm gonna push the wire connectors up until it pops like that. Pull it back out. Just gonna push it in all the way in, wiggling it up and down, and then push it up until I feel the springs. Just like that. It would help if we could get our head in there to see the spring clips that hold it up. One on the left and one on the right. That's the secret magic trick. And all the way in the back here is the groove that it slides into.